This year's DevConnect was about bringing together groups of people and talent from all across the industry, from universities, from PayPal, and from Disney, from various companies, and letting them tell us about what it means for them. Online video, how would you use that? How would you make it better?
We just signed on with Kaltura very recently. I came here to develop relationships with people that work in sales, people that work in tech, learn more about the company as a whole. I'd like to learn more about where Kaltura is going to be in the next 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. And I'm very interested in seeing what the other companies are doing with Kaltura.
We're really looking at using Kaltura as basically the center of our media management platform. So the full media lifecycle between capture, retention, and delivery through archiving.
It's nice to take things off of the telephones and email threads and put it into perspective with people here that are not only from Kaltura but other parts of the industry. And sort of seeing the relationship that I've heard about with Kaltura and Avid has been very beneficial. It seems to be something that is a nice niche product that's going to come out and benefit a lot of people.
One of the conversations that we've had today are talking about how we can integrate with one of the other vendors that are at the conference today, Internet Broadcast. Just by way of being involved with Kaltura, immediately it established a relationship for us that we didn't have yesterday.
Kaltura is at the forefront of enabling online video to make worldwide media better.
We had a roundtable with educational institutions using Moodle and the Kaltura plugin, and then people from the Kaltura team. It was very valuable for us to start already thinking with the customers using Moodle, some of the ways we can add the functionality into the Moodle plugin and make that work with the next roadmap for Kaltura.
My day so far was great. Okay, first of all, I'm in New York City, capital of the world, and I'm meeting all the customers here and the clients and getting all the feedbacks about the project that I'm doing.
So a lot of the conversations that I've been having with the Kaltura team members have been about where do we go from here. We want to innovate for the media industry, and the Kaltura team is clearly ready to be right there with us to do that.
It's always better meeting Kaltura folks in person. I mean, WebEx is great, but you learn a lot more when you're face-to-face with them.
One of the most exciting things today was that we actually got the opportunity to meet with the customer and to actually on-site troubleshoot some of the issues they've been having with their on-premise deployment. And within about 10 or 15 minutes, we were able to get them on their way and rolling again. So I feel really good about that.
Kevin has worked with him before, so they know him and they really like him. They said so several times.
There's something special about when developers meet in an event, because we tend to be doing stuff which is new. We've just become a member of the Kaltura developer community. So we'd like to connect with a lot of people who are running into a lot of the same opportunities as we are.
Coming to a Kaltura event like this is really mind-expanding. Within our industry, we have a very focused set of values and use cases for video. Mixing together those different styles, those use cases, those ways of using the medium generates ideas for all of us.